Hello, my name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven to experience less stress and more peace. Make yourself comfortable somewhere you will not be disturbed or distracted. Close down the eyes and take in 3 big, deep breaths and exhale fully. Return your breathing to its natural rhythm as you now become relaxed. Bring your awareness to the top of your head and imagine a wave of relaxation flowing down your head, over your face and the back of your head, softening and relaxing. The wave of relaxation moves down through the neck and shoulders, like a weight is being lifted from your shoulders, allowing them to drop and relax. Your arms all the way down to the fingers are becoming heavy and relaxed. This wave is moving down to the torso, the chest and stomach, the upper and lower back, releasing, relaxing. The legs now become heavy and melt into the surface below as the wave of relaxation flows all the way down to the toes. Relaxed all the way from the head to the toes. In your mind's eye, imagine or get a sense or feeling of a meadow covered in soft green grass. Dotted through the soft, lush green grass are flowers of all colours. See yourself walking through the meadow. Feel your feet embraced in the coolness of the grass. Feel how soft and delicate it is on your feet. The sky is clear and blue, and rays from the sun gently caress your body, filling it with warm waves of energy, allowing you to be more deeply relaxed. Breathing gently and easily now, you see tall, majestic trees reaching to the warmth and light of the sun. The leaves and branches sway to and fro in the gentle breeze. Approaching the trees, you come to a crystal clear stream. Walking alongside the stream, you hear birds chirping, flitting from tree to tree. The sun's rays shine through the branches of the trees, directing and guiding you to move further downstream. Before you is a waterfall. Water is cascading and caressing the smooth rocks surrounding the falls. A fine, delicate mist rises as the water falls to the stream below. Moving closer, you see a pathway under the waterfall. The water is purifying, cleansing, and refreshing. Move along the path under the water. Feel it pour gently over your body, from the top of your head, through your body, and out through your feet. This crystal clear warm water cleanses away all old beliefs, all fears, all resentments, all apprehensions, and especially washes away all feelings of lack. Feel these being washed away completely. Stay in this space a while. Feeling or perhaps seeing what is being washed away. See it all dissolved. You are very comfortable with this. Don't be concerned if you don't see anything now. It will come. Affirm to yourself in this moment, I release all ideas and beliefs of lack in my life. I now open myself to receive my divine abundance. I choose and accept an abundance of prosperity into my life now. I am prosperous in good health. I am prosperous in love. I am prosperous in wealth. I am worthy to receive these every day. When you feel that all you need to release has been released, take yourself back to the pathway and dry yourself off. And notice the warmth of the sun shining on you dries you and fills you up with warm, abundant energy. Walk back to the meadow filled with beautiful flowers and sit down here on the grass and affirm once again to yourself, I now open myself to receive my divine abundance. I choose and accept an abundance of prosperity into my life now. I am prosperous in good health. I am prosperous in love. I am prosperous in wealth. I am worthy to receive these every day. Begin now to bring yourself back into the room where you are. Take in a deep breath and exhale slowly. When you're ready, open your eyes.